Do you often wake up in the morning feeling stiff, achy, and tired of battling joint pain? You're not alone. If you're over 50, joint pain can seem like it's just part of life. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling refreshed, flexible, and ready to tackle your day without constantly worrying about your knees, hips, or wrists holding you back. In this video, I'm going to share simple yet incredibly effective natural remedies, easy exercises, and diet tips that will bring relief and restore your mobility, without needing medication or expensive treatments. I've personally seen these strategies transform the lives of hundreds of people over 50, and today it's your turn. So grab your notebook or get comfortable, because in the next 30 minutes, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to say goodbye to joint pain naturally and start feeling like yourself again. Ready? Let's jump right in. As we grow older, our bodies naturally go through many changes, and one of the most common and frustrating issues is joint pain. It often starts as a small ache in the knees, shoulders, or fingers, and slowly becomes more noticeable. You might feel stiff in the morning or sore after sitting too long. For many people over 50, this becomes a daily struggle that affects walking, standing, or even sleeping. But here it's the good news. Joint pain is not something you just have to live with. You can reduce it naturally, without surgery, injections, or expensive pills. Keep watching because what you'll learn today might completely change how you feel every day. Now let's understand why joint pain happens after 50. As we age, the cartilage that cushions our joints starts to wear down. This leads to bones rubbing against each other, causing pain, stiffness, and swelling. Conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammation become more common. Our bodies also produce less joint fluid, which makes movement feel dry and rough instead of smooth. In addition, many people develop joint pain due to lack of movement, poor posture, old injuries, or even being slightly overweight. It's not just about age, it's about how we treat our bodies. Here's something surprising. Even small daily habits like how you sit or what you eat can make a huge difference in your joint health. And we're going to break those down for you step by step. Let's now move on to the simple, natural remedies you can try today to start feeling better. Easy at-home remedies for instant relief. When joint pain strikes, you want relief, and you want it fast. The good news? You don't always need to rush to the doctor or pharmacy. There are powerful natural remedies sitting right in your home that can soothe joint pain and reduce inflammation. But wait, did you know that a warm towel or a pinch of turmeric might help you feel better faster than over-the-counter painkillers? Keep watching, because these easy remedies might surprise you. Let's start with heat and cold therapy. When your joints feel stiff or sore, applying a warm compress can relax the muscles and improve blood flow. Use a hot water bottle, heating pad, or even a warm towel for 15-20 minutes. If there's swelling, switch to a cold pack to reduce inflammation. Alternating between hot and cold often gives fast relief. Another simple remedy is Epsom salt baths. Just soak your feet or whole body in warm water with 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt for 20 minutes. The magnesium in the salt helps reduce pain and relax your joints. Herbal oils like turmeric oil, ginger oil, or castor oil are excellent for massage. Gently rub them into painful areas. This improves circulation and helps reduce stiffness naturally. Here's a secret. What you put on your joints is just as important as what you put in your body. And in the next chapter, we'll reveal anti-inflammatory foods that work like medicine. Before we get there, try one of these remedies tonight. You might be surprised at how much better your joints feel by tomorrow morning. Anti-inflammatory diet for healthier joints. You've heard the saying, "You are what you eat." And when it comes to joint pain, this couldn't be more true. What you put on your plate has a direct effect on the pain and swelling in your joints. A poor diet can increase inflammation, while the right foods can actually calm it down. Here's the exciting part. Some everyday foods can work just like natural painkillers, without any side effects. And the best part? They're probably already in your kitchen. Let's start with the foods that help. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful inflammation fighters. Turmeric, a golden spice often used in curries, contains curcumin, one of the most effective natural anti-inflammatory compounds. Add it to soups, teas, or rice. Other great foods include berries, leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts, especially walnuts, olive oil, and garlic. These are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help protect and repair your joints. Now, here's what to avoid: processed foods, sugar, white bread, fried foods, and too much red meat. These can make inflammation worse and trigger joint flare-ups. Try this simple trick. Fill half your plate with colorful veggies, add some protein like fish or beans, and drizzle a little olive oil. Done. That's a joint-friendly meal right there. Eating for joint health isn't about dieting. It's about fueling your body to heal. Make small changes each week, and your joints will thank you for years to come. Next, let's get moving with gentle exercises that bring real relief. Gentle exercises to relieve joint pain. You might think that when you have joint pain, you should rest and avoid moving. But the truth is, gentle movement is one of the best ways to reduce pain and improve joint health. The key is doing the right exercises, ones that are safe, low impact, and designed for people over 50. Here's something most people don't know. Not moving actually makes joint pain worse. But just 10 minutes of simple movement each day can loosen stiff joints and reduce pain naturally. Let's start with stretching. Slow, gentle stretches help improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Try this. Sit on a chair, straighten one leg, and slowly reach toward your toes. Hold for 10-15 seconds and repeat. It gently stretches your hamstrings and knees. Another great option is low-impact exercise like walking, swimming, or cycling on a stationary bike. These activities keep your joints moving without putting too much pressure on them. Just 15-20 minutes a day can improve circulation and ease pain over time. Yoga and Tai Chi are also perfect for joint health. These practices combine slow movements, balance, and deep breathing, helping both your body and mind relax. And don't forget about strengthening exercises. Building muscle around the joints, like your thighs for knee support, reduces strain. Simple chair squats or leg lifts while lying down are very effective. You don't have to become a fitness expert. Just moving with intention every day can bring major relief. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to move smarter. Next, let us look at natural supplements that support your joints from the inside out, many of them backed by science. Effective supplements for joint health. Sometimes, even with good food and exercise, your joints need a little extra help. That's where natural supplements come in. They support your body from the inside, help rebuild cartilage, reduce inflammation, and keep your joints moving smoothly. Here's the eye-opener. Many joint supplements work quietly in the background, but over time, they can help you move easier, sleep better, and even reduce the need for pain pills. Sounds good, right? Let's explore the best ones. First up is glucosamine and chondroitin, two of the most well-researched joint supplements. These compounds are found naturally in the cartilage of your joints. Taking them as a supplement may help slow cartilage breakdown and reduce stiffness, especially for those with osteoarthritis. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil, are powerful inflammation fighters. They help reduce joint tenderness and swelling. If you don't eat much fish, a good quality fish oil supplement is worth considering. Turmeric, which we mentioned earlier in the diet chapter, is also available as a supplement. The key compound, curcumin, is known for reducing joint inflammation and pain. Look for turmeric capsules with black pepper, piperine, added. It helps your body absorb it better. Other helpful options include boswellia, Indian frankincense, vitamin D, especially if you get little sun, and collagen supplements which may support joint structure. But remember, supplements aren't magic pills. Think of them as extra tools, not replacements, for good food and movement. Taken daily, they can gently support long-term relief. Next up, We'll go beyond pills and powders into real lifestyle changes that help prevent joint pain before it even starts. Lifestyle tips to prevent future joint pain. Getting relief from joint pain is great, but keeping it away is even better. Small, smart changes in your daily life can protect your joints and reduce the chances of pain coming back. And the best part? These changes are simple and easy to fit into your everyday routine. Here is the truth. Most people don't need big treatments. They just need better daily habits. These little changes can keep your joints young even after 50. Let's look at the ones that really work. First, let's talk about body weight. Carrying even just 5 to 10 extra kilos puts a lot of extra pressure on your knees, hips, and lower back. Losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in pain and movement. Posture is another game changer. How you sit, stand, and sleep affects your joint health. Try to sit upright, keep your shoulders relaxed, and avoid slouching. When using a phone or computer, raise it to eye level so you don't strain your neck. Stay hydrated. Water keeps the joints lubricated like oil in an engine. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day, especially if you're active. Also, take short movement breaks throughout your day. Sitting too long stiffens the joints. Set a timer to stretch or walk every hour. Even light movement counts. Here's a golden rule. Treat your joints like gold. Don't wait for pain to come back. Stay ahead of it. By building these habits into your life, you're not just managing joint pain, you're preventing it. And you're giving yourself more energy, more freedom, and more joy. Let's wrap it all up next with a quick recap and some motivation to help you keep going strong. Let's take a deep breath and look back at what you've learned today. In just a few minutes, you've picked up powerful, natural ways to ease joint pain and take control of your health, without relying only on medication or expensive treatments. Here's the truth. You don't have to live in pain. You don't have to just deal with it. There is always something you can do, one small step at a time. First, we talked about why joint pain happens after 50 and how it's often due to wear and tear, inflammation, and daily habits. Then you learned how heat and cold therapy, herbal oils, and Epsom salt can bring instant relief right from your home. You also discovered the power of food, how anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, berries, and leafy greens can help your joints heal. You learned how gentle exercises like stretching and walking can keep your joints strong and flexible without hurting them. We explored supplements like glucosamine, turmeric, and omega-3s and how they support joint health from the inside. And finally, we walked through easy lifestyle tips, hydration, posture, weight, and movement that protect your joints for the long run. Remember this, you are stronger than your pain. You are not too old, too late, or too broken. Your healing can start today with one choice, one change, one small habit. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with a friend or family member who needs relief too. Your joints deserve love, care, and attention, and so do you. Take care and see you in the next video.